Which countries are to be blamed for global warming and why?
First of all, the well-developed countries, highly industrialized, that are producing, that are that are having a lot, that have a lot of factories, and the factories do not have protecting systems, filters, I don't know, to not to allow the chemicals to spread in the air, to spread in the water, and first of all, they should preserve the Kyoto Protocol, I think, and continuously try to optimize their factories and their sources of pollution.
Okay.
Which countries exactly do you think are the most responsible for?
China, USA, Japan, and some countries from Europe also that are producing a lot and do not take into consideration the environment.
Thank you.